Okay, Bravo. Going to Bravo, guys.
Got both of them?
Let's kill everybody, man.
Oh, there's another one. Behind us, behind you guys.
Cool.
Whirly.
Good for me, man.
Whirly.
Taking. Yeah, man. I was reloading.
How'd you let her do you like that?
I was reloading.
So I could
I don't want to hear it. Speed it up.
Wow,
Aye.
man. Sorry again.
Grenades. Ay,
That's a
caramba.
good shoulder, man.
I didn't kill him?
Always play the
Oh, that's nonsense.
All right, it's our time, guys.
Upstairs in the window? In the top building?
You.
Yo, do 2 on C.
Reload, fucker.
2 on, yeah, 2 on C.
There's one guy on B. No more. Clear. B is clear.
Can move on.
One guy.
Wait,
man.
who killed me?
Drop
What the
Pablo.
fuck? Dude, this said a grenade came out the sky.
Oh shit.
Oh,
I tried, man. 2 guys.
grenade. You should
One
have
behind
laid
the
on the
truck.
grenade.
You're a bitch.
I'm trying hard, man. I'm trying hard.
Very hot.
You make it look so easy.
Like Tiger? Yes. Harder than that.
Bye.
Who's he to your left?
He's down.
Yeah.
There's another one. Oh my
How dare you
God.
shoot at my friends?
How do you get a one shot?
Get those
like
claymores out of here, Tip. Or Dot.
that? I'm tired of dying. Dude,
It
I
is
am
a part of
tired.
life.
I am tired.
One loads
Sleep.
its clip, one dies.
Ah, blew both of their asses right up.
Nice, Dot.
Let's go B, guys.
B's wide open. I just blew both of them up.
Good kill, you bitch.
Jesus, just throw that grenade. Crazy psycho. Hey, no running in the shop, pal. That's how accidents happen.
You a bitch. Oh my God, bro.
You just threw that smoke there. Are you guys serious?
One time's coming in back
Dude,
door.
no running.
Bravo.
No
Oh,
running.
he thought he was coming.
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
bad.
Die. Down, man.
I'm gonna get you.
Another one down, man.
This is how I do my workout all day.
One flanking
Tighten
left
my
from
stomach
Charlie.
and I shoot.
Dude, where did it... Are you kidding me, bro? The grenade bounced off of...
Jump, bounce off the sky.
Nah, it bounced, you know, like the B, that little, where the ramp is, with the truck's back in? It bounced
Oh,
into the
yeah.
hole, and I was outside.
Yo, man, the claymore. No
Bye.
grenade.
Did I not kill
Fine,
this
man,
nigga,
fine.
bro? Fuck.
Fine, and then fine. And move.
This wants some kills,
Move
man.
now.
I don't ask for much.
Jeez, just saved your life, Lucy.
I killed him. Thank you.
Did you? Damn it! I thought I got the kill. I was
Spot
like, oh, at least I
B,
traded
man.
with him.
No.
Alright, let's go
That
get B.
sucks.
I'm done with the shenanigans.
Bye.
Let's get B.
Blowing
And
people
I
the
know my
fuck
Charlie.
up.
Throwing a frag.
Oh man, that's a spawn point. Who isn't?
Yes, sir.
Shop's clear, baby.
Thank you.
Oh,
Watch that left side outside.
no soliciting.
Balls to the wall, guys. I'm blinded. I'm blinded.
Great nade,
Oh.
Dot.
Oh, oh, why would I go out there? Ridiculous.
Come on,
Okay,
push
the
that.
French are shooting spawn. Look out. That's what you get, Leo. That's what you get. Oh! Work of the devil.
Dude, what is this, man? Why is she like that?
It's the battle for B. Nobody cares about none of the other points. Apparently. It's a thing of pride.
Darren, what
B,
is
B's down, B's down. One guy.
Come on.
Come on, man. I got a meeting with
face
my
shot.
boss in a couple of minutes.
Grenades,
Let's
grenades.
clean this shit.
Oh, watch out, grenade!
Oh, man. Alright, I'm alright. I'm alright. Friends,
Left side,
go.
one's on the left side.
Down.
Steve is in the garage. Over.
All I have is a machete. I dropped my gun.
Nice, Tiff. One time's running left side, brother.
All I have is a sword. Let's go! Let's go! They call me La Machete.
One guy,
Garage
B.
clear,
One
garage
guy.
clear.
Left side, one's coming left side. Good kill.
Nice trade, Tiff.
This is fair.
I'm gonna shoot you in the effing throat, bro. In the
Alright, the
effing
police on
throat.
Fuck. You gotta worry
Police are
about
on
B?
their way. You get updates like that on your Oculus? Oh, that's dope. Hey, you gotta go. Oh man, that dude was about to knife you, bro, right in the garage. Oh, right in the throat, bro. Angry, I'm gonna kill you. Oh. I'm gonna kill you and dance on your body. Damn. Boozy,
Nice try.
what the F, man? Are you kidding me?
Great job, soldier.
Oh,
What'd I do?
B, one guy, B, one
Oh,
guy.
I
at
got
the
shot
flag.
in the back.
Feel like I'm not even helping.
you said B?
Oh,
B, one
God.
guy, I'm running.
Running. One guy at the flag.
What in the shit? I need to
Oh,
capture
man.
a point or something. I am not.
Come on, come
this-
on, guy.
Dude, he's in the back. He's in our back. He's running to B, the back
I
side.
see you, Tiff.
Backside of
Man.
B.
Put your
Where did he go?
Oh, I spawned
Oh, we
here and got
switched?
smacked.
Yep. Ooh! Who put that Claymore on the back of the field truck?
Wow.
Boom, baby. Smile for the flash.
Back, man, back, left. Oh, bull, left,
Oh.
right, behind.
Just got killed by a hip fire.
Our
kidding me?
spawn.
Oh no, you scared the shit out of me. I just completely
I got
threw
you,
him.
Dot.
They're on the.
They're on B. Another one. Right around the corner, bro. Right around the corner.
Drop two.
Good shit.
They're
know.
shooting spawn.
Dude, where did you just kill me from? What grenade? You should have like a 2-second. Dude, what is this? Oh my god, bro. What did I shot the fucking eagle? This is why people harm themselves.
Oh, nice. One
Charlie
time,
needs
brother.
recap.
Copy on my way.
Oh. Trash.
One guy going to Bravo.
Oh my fucking god, as soon as I look down.
Without ammo.
Bro, he's in the plane. Durin, to your right, bro. In the plane. Durin, to your right, bro. Send this nigga to the gulag. Ah.
Oh man, my grenade, man.
Damn, dude.
Oh,
We definitely ain't getting this fucking good.
Oh, your boy safe.
They're all coming to B. Holy shit.
In the plane, in the plane.
come on, we gotta focus fire. Bravo, bravo.
Yeah,
Friday.
everybody push Bravo.
I just killed one. There's one still in there. Throwing grenades.
Grenade out.
3.
There we go. Got him.
Pushing. There's one more. What do you mean my
Where?
Oculus is low?
Oh man, come on.
Oh,
One grenade, man. Look, man.
I'm gonna push
Let's
from the
leave
opening
again.
on the right side.
Man, I keep grabbing C, but nobody's coming with me. He's in the garage protecting C. I've already killed him, but they keep following
Oh,
me.
come on, bro. I just was shitting on your
Oh,
team.
you lucky, you lucky, you lucky, you lucky.
I know, right?
That nigga got 58 kills?
Yeah.
Eat it. Blew his ass right up. 58 ghost kills.
As you can see, I'm trying.
Last kill,
great
though.
guy.
Last kill, though.
Oh, I
Love
wish
you,
I had
man.
one more.
Put
That
your
would've
finger in my ass.
Good match,
Wait,
guys.
wait a minute.
Wait.